Hi, everyone. This is Mike Kennedy, Senior Manager of Partners here at AWS Public Sector. And today I'm thrilled to be speaking with Brian Carmichael. Brian, do you mind introducing yourself?
Sure. I'm Brian Carmichael. I'm Director of Strategic Accounts with Voice Foundry.
Excellent. Thanks again for being here, Brian. So today we're going to talk about modernizing the customer experience with Amazon Connect. And jumping right into our first question, what are some of the common challenges that you're seeing with public sector organizations, and how has that led them to seek a solution like Amazon Connect?
Yeah, absolutely. That's a great question, especially during the times of today that were unprecedented with COVID-19 and such. A lot of the public sectors have come to look at Amazon Connect as a way to really help continue to communicate better with their customers and provide a better contact center experience. There are many ways that they can do that. Obviously, working agents remotely at this point has been such a key aspect, and Amazon Connect has such flexibility with the ability to take agents remotely and for customers to only pay for what they use for those services that are needed by allowing those agents to work from home and such. The need to leverage third-party integrations such as a CRM product such as Salesforce, or a workforce management product such as like a Calabria or something to really manage their workforce better in these times as well, and then also to communicate with their constituents better within their customer base, which allows them to continue to broadcast information out to them, allows for a better customer experience when they call in. There are different types of services they can use within Amazon to provide those as well.
Great. And moving to my next question, right now, the education vertical in particular is facing major changes in education delivery. Can you talk a little bit about the challenges education institutions are facing?
Sure, absolutely. It's another great question. It's obviously education is in the news today, and so a lot of the challenges are what's going to happen in the fall with colleges and universities going forward. So, University of Arizona is one of our premier accounts, and we've been working with them for the last probably year or so at this point. We originally engaged with them before COVID-19, but with COVID-19, there's so many aspects of needing to communicate with their customers and students and parents that have really come to the forefront at that point. We've leveraged many Amazon services such as Pinpoint to do direct access and emails and messages and voice campaigns out to students and parents as well to allow them to know what's going on the campus as well. We took in their entire campus basically remotely then at that point, overnight almost in a couple day period. They had 25 different contact centers on campus, which allowed us to allow their agents to work from home then at that point as well.
Great, thanks for sharing that example. And why did University of Arizona specifically select Amazon Connect and Voice Foundry?
Sure. Voice Foundry was introduced to University of Arizona after they had originally started to deploy their Connect instance. We were really brought in to really help them customize it, to really get them over the finish line of that product and being able to really utilize Amazon Connect to its maximum capability at that point. We set up some custom contact flows with them to provide multi-language support. We did a custom desktop for their agents so they can have that single pane of glass when somebody calls in, really be able to help their agent or help their students or parents, in the most efficient way possible as well. As I mentioned, we implemented Pinpoint to allow them to have better communications with their agents as well, or their students and parents as well at that point. And then we're also looking at doing other projects going forward. And University of Arizona is also a fully managed service customer of Voice Foundry.
Great, well, thank you for all of your insights today, Brian. And for everyone listening and watching, if you have any questions, please reach out to us on Twitter. And we also invite you to visit our Modernize Your Customer Experience with Amazon Connect page and view the associated content. Thank you.